Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Vlogmas day 3, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my advent calendar for today. And this is the image that I got, and I think it's a train. Comment down below what you guys think it is. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments down below in the comment section. So I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm starting off with my Black Radiance True Complexion Shine Control Primer. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 368, and that's Deep Golden. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend my foundation in and move on to concealer. So I'm going in with my Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Medium Peach. So after applying my concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my Black Opal Deluxe finishing powder, and it's the oil control formula, and it's in the shade medium. For my eyeshadow today, I'm just using a drugstore eyeshadow palette that I found, and I got this for $8, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use this brown shade in my crease, and afterwards I'm gonna use a gold shimmer shade on my lid. I'm also gonna leave a list of all the items I used down in the description box below if you guys want to go ahead and check out any of these items. And going in with my favorite of all time, my Maybelline the Falsies Push Up Angel mascara. This is my absolute favorite mascara I've ever used, and I hope it doesn't finish. I'm trying to cherish every single moment of this mascara. I love it so much. Now going in with highlighter, I'm using this Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and it's in the shade Crown of My Canopy. Moving on to my lips, I'm using this Gorjue, I think that's how you pronounce the name. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name correctly, but this is a lipstick that was sent to me, and it's in the shade California Burger. So the last step is to set all this goodness. I'm using my Spritz to Fix Matte Setting Spray. And that's it. So that's the look for today, a simple holiday makeup look. If you guys want to try this out, go ahead and tag me on Instagram at Natural Nashika. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, and turn on your post notifications. Hit that bell beside the subscribe button and leave all your comments down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Keep the conversation going in the comments, and until my next video, bye guys.